In this lecture, I want to show you a very important concept for any company to scale up its operations. This is about business development, which here we're calling BD. Now, for companies that are trying to grow or reach a viable business model, there is one element which cannot be ignored, and this is distribution. Distribution is one of those core elements that inside the business model will help a company become viable over time. That's why distributions is one of the key elements of business development. Indeed, there is a misunderstanding about business development, and this is about the fact that many people really mistake it with sales. Of course, the business developer or business development in general, the whole department will also focus a lot of attention on sales because this is what it takes to get the company off the ground. So, the business developer initially for a company that is just starting up is going to devote a lot of the attention for the department or for the sales team toward really getting customers. But the key difference between a business developer or a business development department and a marketing or sales department is that the business development is both sales and marketing. In other words, business development is about distribution, is about creating a scalable model of distribution for the company to grow up. So when you put together marketing, which is attention based, and sales, which is really about one-to-one customers relationships, that's where you get business development, which is about distribution. So again, business development over time is about developing the channels that will help the company scale up. Initially, as a company gets started, a lot of attention is going to be devoted to sales. But as the company gets its first customers, then a lot of attention is also about understanding the mechanism of marketing that can help the company scale up, and also what channels can really help the company grow much in a much scalable way. And that's why here we have this graph, this actually sort of draw that I put together to highlight the key difference between the salesman, the marketer, and really the business developer. The business developer today is a lot mistaken with the salesman, just like this is a sort of modern salesman. But in reality, for digital businesses, what we want to do over time is to build up a scalable company. And that's where the business developer has to focus a lot of attention in the long term.